Nothing like a little sunshine. Got sand on your feet and a big baseline.
Shall I tell you a secret? So we leave a wooden egg in where we want the chickens to lay, and that way it's not like a pot egg that can break or anything, and obviously it's a similar colour. Tips and tricks of a farmer. Farm hack. Found the coolest thing ever. It's like a mini hedge cutter. I think I need one. Deja vu, back to silage time. Morning. It's not morning, I'm lying, it's afternoon. I don't know what I'm talking about. Afternoon! Doesn't really sound the same, does it? Never mind. These cows are in the way for Rob fencing. Basically, we've got to take down a fence between us and that barley field there, which is our neighbours. So we're going to move everybody around just so that we don't end up chasing them around next door's garden, because we would. Because they're very naughty. So yeah, I just want these guys to come hither through this gate. I can lock them out and then they're no threat to escaping. Ladies, take your time, don't worry about it. We've literally got all day. Joking. Hurry up. Come on! That's more like it! We love a sprightly cow. Come on. Follow me, I'll take you to fresh grass. Come on, girls. Grass, ladies, it's actually got not a bad covering on. This is one of the silage fields that we've not let anything in yet. Tasty. I'm literally just going around checking the fences, to be fair. They're not brilliant in this field, but we don't generally stock it other than with sheep. They just spotted something which I've never seen before. A bull next door. This is new. This is new to me. He has a penis, guys. And I just moved all the heifers into this field, guys. Well, there's a field and a double fence. So there's 3 fences and a field in between them. And it is just literally while they are working on that fence. That's not ideal, is it? Don't know what he is. He's lovely though. It's a cute little thing. Swedish red or something. I'm thinking dairy cows, like not. Oh, honestly, I have never seen this much grass around at this time of year. This is crazy amounts of grass. Everywhere. It's just, yeah, it's growy weather, but it also means it's wet, squishy weather. So it grows grass, but the ground's soft, which you can't have everything, can you? But yeah, it's a bit of a sticky situation. We boys have come over to say hi. Careful now, there's a big drop there. Does anyone else have this problem, especially with small people around? I've lost a hammer, one with an orange handle, and no one has seen it. No one's seen it. It seems to have disappeared into thin air. I wasn't blaming you, I was just simply stating that you have a particular...
Use the back of this axe.
No, I don't want to use the back of an axe, I want to use an orange hammer. So me, Ray and Anna have just nipped across this field here, we're literally next to home, to take this old fence down that's in the hedge line. Like this. Work smarter, not harder. They've got fields full of grass, a trailer full of silage, and still they're not happy, like most of today's youth. Wow. Problem is, we're trying to take this out, but you can see, you can't even see the fence because it's so grown in. All of this hawthorn here has grown through. So that's what the little flail is for that Rob's got. Obviously, Rob's on down there doing our actual fencing, and he doesn't need to be wasting time taking fences out. So I think what we're going to do is, we were going to try and do it properly and take all the staples out, but like you can see, you can't even get to them. We're just going to rive it out, brute force for the win. It's downsides doing this, even though it's a lot easier. Take a bit of dead tree with you as well, right? Are we videoing this? Should I be videoing this? I'm just now going to go in with the mellow and pull it out with a chain. This is very basic stuff. I've already attached it. We take every post off and we use it for the boiler. We take every staple out. That's just how we normally do it. The bits that we took out were just like the edges of the hedge. You can see that was stuck in the fence. Things like this.
We'll try and get a set of loppers.
Loppers. Aviation updates. Sorry, that wasn't very enthusiastic, was it? It's the air ambulance somewhere. There. It's not very impressive, it's too far away. So we separated wire and posts on one side, thorns on the other, and we'll take the posts off and we're going to take the posts away to burn them on the fire because Roy can't bring himself to waste wood and have a bonfire with it. And then this here is obviously a stretch that isn't engulfed by a hedge, so we are going to actually take each one off. So Roy is basically just pulling the fence back that we've taken already. All the staples out. Oh, we didn't take that barbed wire out though. Ha. I'm just going to get on the bobcat and shimmy on down there and do exactly what Roy was just doing. Just putting the pallet forks underneath and just loosening the posts out. There's no real suitable way to hold you on the bobcat. I'm really sorry.
Play hard and the boys all know. Cocktail twist in a silver sun.
So the new fence will come probably to about here. They're fairly wide and you want the hedge to ideally be sitting in the middle of that. You can see that our hedges here have literally grown to the size of our fences. They grow up to the fences, and then what you end up doing is you end up getting your hedge cutting done and they just kind of batter up the sides. Ideally, we want it wider so your hedges grow bigger. That's the general idea of it anyway. You doing? Taking your stick for a walk?
Room 501. Killer whips and a kick drum. Waste it away on sea, sun. Midnight approaching, all of your friends are here. Well,
Oh, this is a snazzy fence, this is. Ignore that bit. It's lovely. It's dead nice. I've got a new shopping list. One of them. I know what I'm having for tea tonight. We're having burgers steak from our own cow and potatoes, carrots and some crusty bread. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and I'll see you next time.